Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears out of orange peels. First, select about 4 to 6 fresh oranges and wash them thoroughly. Next, carefully peel the oranges, trying to get large, intact pieces of peel. Then, slice these peels into thin strips, roughly 1/4 inch wide. Finally, use a small knife to remove most of the bitter white pith from the inside of each peel, leaving a little for texture. To remove the natural bitterness, place your prepared orange peels in a pot and cover them with fresh water. Bring this to a boil, then simmer for about 15 minutes. After simmering, drain the peels, rinse them with cold water, and repeat this entire boiling and rinsing process 2 more times. This crucial step, performed 3 times in total, ensures your gummy bears will have a pleasant, sweet flavor. Now it's time to candy the peels. In a clean pot, combine 2 cups of water with 1 cup of granulated sugar, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Bring this mixture to a boil, creating a simple syrup. Add your blanched orange peels to the simmering syrup. Reduce the heat to low and let them gently simmer for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until the peels become beautifully translucent. Once translucent, carefully remove the candied peels from the syrup with a slotted spoon, letting excess drip off. Arrange them in a single layer on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Allow them to cool and dry at room temperature for several hours, or even up to 1 full day, until they are slightly tacky. For a delightful finish, toss the peels in granulated sugar, ensuring they are well coated. Enjoy your homemade gummy treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.